Hi there. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal how you can learn Larry Benedict's unique trading strategy, the one ticker retirement plan. So definitely stay and watch the video so you can learn how you can discover and learn it. But before I get into the video, if you like this video, please click like because it helps to reach more people. And if you want more content like this, why not consider subscribing to the channel, because I put all sorts of different content out every week onto my channel. Okay, so let's get on with it. So who is Larry Benedict? So Larry Benedict is one of the world's leading traders. He had a 30-year career at Wall Street, and towards the end of his career he created his own hedge fund called Banyan Partners, I do believe, and it was one of the top rated hedge funds at the time. Now Larry, over the course of his career, sort of gravitated towards options trading. He was very good at it, and this is how he devised his sort of one ticker retirement plan. Because what a lot of people do is when they start trading, they trade all sorts of different stocks all at the same time. They don't really have a strategy. More often than not, they lose a lot of money. But basically, Larry's learned over the course of his career is not to diversify and just pick one ticker or one stock and then use various signals to trade it over and over again. And that is what the one ticker retirement plan is all about. Now, obviously, Larry is an options trader, but you might not put my teeth back, and you might not know what options trading is. So I'm going to give you a brief overview of what options trading is. So with options trading or options contracts, they're like a sort of like a contract that allows you to buy or gives you the right to buy or sell a stock. You don't actually own them when you take an option out. It just gives you the right to buy or sell a stock at a given price in a given time period. And you can use options contracts to leverage stocks to actually make a lot of returns. And the beautiful thing about options trading is you can profit whether the market goes up or whether the market falls. And this is why a lot of traders like them and use them, part of their trading strategy, because they can hedge their bets and maximize their profits and minimize their losses. And obviously with the volatility in the market over the past this year really, options trading has become very, very popular purely because you can use options contracts to leverage. You don't have to put a ton of money down, and you can sort of profit whether the market rises or falls. And there's two types of options contracts. There's a call option and a put option. So that is a brief overview of what options trading is. Like I say, very popular. And Larry Benedict is one of the world's leading options traders, and he uses his one ticker retirement plan to trade options. So just very quickly, let me give you a very quick overview of what the one ticker retirement plan is. So what the one ticker retirement plan, Larry has a series of sort of indicators that he uses to home in on a stock in a particular market, and then he uses his indicators to trade that stock multiple times a month to make lots or to make profits. Now, Larry isn't all about risk. His strategy is very risk-free because when he opens an options contract, he only uses a small amount of money. So if it doesn't work, he's not going to use a lot of money. But the way he does it is that his profits, 80 to 85% of his trades are profitable. The reality is you're never going to win on every trade. Anyone who says that is lying. Obviously, some of the trades you're going to do, they are going to work out. But Larry's found a way to win most of the time. And this is why the one ticker retirement plan is so powerful. Now, if you want to learn Larry Benedict's one ticker retirement plan, he's actually got a service called One Ticker Trader, which he teaches you how to do it. So basically, the overview of One Ticker Trader is all about trading options using his one ticker retirement plan. There's a section where basically you can learn it, and then there's sort of notifications and alerts to buy or sell stocks. So I'm just going to run through you this very quickly. So you got the issues and updates, which basically gives advisory alerts of when to buy or sell stocks, and there's also a monthly newsletter. You get the special reports. So Larry's Guide to Trading Options, which gives you a crash course on how to trade options. and the one ticker retirement plan, which is his options trading strategy I've just explained it to you. Once you've gone through these, you'll be pretty much ready to start giving options a go. You've got the portfolio with all the various stocks Larry's trading or is trading. And the videos here shows you how to place trades on their recommended platform when opening an options contract. So if you want to really go deep on learning the one ticker retirement plan, I'd highly recommend you join One Ticker Trader. I'm not an options trading expert by any means. I'm more into crypto, but I discovered options and Larry this year joined this, and it's really helped me to understand options and how to basically trade them. So if you want to give One Ticker Trader a try, it's only $19 for a year. So literally for a whole year, you can get access to this. $19, absolute bargain. Plus you get a 60-day money back guarantee. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link down in the description below so you can check it out and you can join if you want to. Highly recommended. You can't go wrong with this because it's very simple very simple to understand, and you're not going to be bombarded with a ton of content you're never going to go through because you just don't have time. So I'll leave a link to this down below so you can join or check it out, whatever you want to do. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to this interview Larry did, where he sort of gives an overview of a one ticker retirement plan, and he gives an over the shoulder look of how it works. So I'll link to that down below as well. Anyway, hopefully you found this video useful, informative, and I'll speak to you soon.